Leonardo.ai is just way too good to ignore. Let me just show you. Let's click on try flow state once you are here, and this is what they are giving a gift to celebrate flow state. For a limited time, paid users will have virtually unlimited generations with flow state. It will require no tokens. After the promotional period, flow states will use one token per image generated. Let me just show you how amazing this flow state is. Let me type an astronaut on a bike on Mars. See, it's gonna generate sort of unlimited generations for me. See, you are not limited to just one style. If you like this, you can see more like this. You see, it's even giving the vibes. It's sci-fi, short type, bokeh. How about this one? Short type, overhead. Oh goodness, this is like really good. See the angle on this one? I really like this one, and if you like something, you can save it to your library. I'm saving this one. How about finding something else? This seems like a painting. Let's see the style. Candlelit, cool tones, and oil paint. Yeah, that's what this one looks like. Okay, let's say I like this one. What I'll do is I'll click on more like this. You see, my tokens are the same. The ones I started off with, they are the same. Now you see, I wrote an astronaut on a bike on Mars. I went to the second step in the flow state. Now it's giving me with the anime, and the short type is epic. That's the general, you can see the vibe that it's giving me. It has given me a lot of good choices. This one looks really good. If you see this one, you can upscale this as well. You can save this, and then what you can do is you can also click on more like this. Now once you click more like this, it will give you even better generations closer to what you actually like. Now the thing is that you can try flow state with the free account as well. I'll put a link down in the description. Go to Leonardo AI with my link. It's an affiliate link, just to let you know. But the thing is, this is such a valuable tool. Now let's say you like this whole theme. Now just forget the astronaut on a bike. Let us just write an astro, leave the astronaut as well, a horse on a plane of cheese. Now it's going to give us the generations in this very style that we have come to see. It's in the same style the one for astronaut was in. Obviously the generation and the characters, they are different, but I mean, like, this is really good. Look at this one, more like this. You can go over here as well. Look how wonderful this is. And you get virtually unlimited generations, and it makes it really fast. And the best part is that it's gonna be free for a little bit of time period if you are a pro users. So better take the full opportunity of this wonderful proposition that we have. Leonardo.ai is doing a great job, and let me know down in the comments if you like Leonardo.ai, and do appreciate the video, support the video in whatever form you may like, and I'll see you in the next one.